Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Technik. In today's video we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4, the B6 or the B7 platforms, and in particular we're looking at the airbag crash sensors. There are several of these dotted around the car, and the ones that we're looking at today in this particular video are the rear ones. Now I'll show you the location of these, which is just here, just inside the rear kind of door pillar here. This is the sensor right here. So as you can see, you do have to do a little bit of strip down work to gain access to this. You're going to need to remove your seat bench, and then you're going to have to remove your rear seat side bolster, and that will give you the access that you need to get to the sensor. We've recorded videos already for you on how to remove both of those parts, so if you're unsure on how to do either of those, we'll add links for you below this video on YouTube. Just scroll down, check those videos out, get to this stage where you've got access to it, and I'll show you how to remove this sensor now. So we've gained the access to the sensor here, but one very important thing that you must do before we disconnect this, because it's the airbag system, what we need to do is ensure that the airbag system is safe before you start pulling these connectors off. So what you need to do is you need to disconnect the black, that's the negative, cable from your battery. You can leave the red connected, that's no problem at all, but the black must be disconnected from the battery before you do anything to do with the airbags. So that's very, very important before you continue. If you prefer to disconnect both connectors on the battery, disconnect the battery completely, that's no problem at all. Just remember you will need things like your radio code when you connect your battery back up. As per the Audi workshop manual, you don't need to disconnect both, but you must disconnect the black negative cable from the battery. So get that done, and then we can look at disconnecting this. So with the battery safely disconnected, we can disconnect the electrical connection. We've got this yellow section here. Generally inside your car, any yellow plug that you see will be connected to your airbag system. So you'll look under your seats, wherever it might be, anything with a yellow plug generally is airbags. Now to disconnect this, you've got the yellow section, and in the middle of it you've got a little red section. If you push the red section up into the body of the yellow and then slide the whole thing down, that'll come off like so. So now what we're going to need is a Torx screwdriver and get these screws removed. So Torx size 30, you want to grab a Torx screwdriver or a bit in a ratchet or a bit in a socket, whatever you've got handy, and just quickly get both of these screws removed. And there you go, just lift that forward, and that is the rear airbag crash sensor completely removed.